If you want to set up Zoho Mail and start using it for personal or business communication, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Zoho Mail is a clean and secure email service that is widely used for both personal and professional purposes. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can set it up without any confusion. First, go to the Zoho Mail website and click on the Sign Up option. Choose a plan that suits your needs. If you are just starting, you can select a basic or free plan if available. Enter your details like name, mobile number, and password to create your account. Once your account is created, log in to Zoho Mail using your credentials. You will be taken to the dashboard where you can access your inbox, sent items, and other folders. Take a moment to explore the interface so you understand where everything is located. Next, go to the Settings section by clicking on the gear icon. Here you can customize your email preferences such as signature, display name, and notification settings. Setting up a professional email signature is especially useful if you are using Zoho Mail for business. If you are using a custom domain, you will need to verify it and configure MX records. Go to the Domain Setup section and follow the instructions provided by Zoho. This step ensures that your emails are properly sent and received through Zoho servers. You can also add additional email accounts using IMAP or POP if you want to manage multiple inboxes in one place. This option is available in the Mail Accounts section of settings. Finally, test your setup by sending an email to yourself or a friend to make sure everything is working correctly. In short, sign up, log in, customize settings, configure domain if needed, and test your email to complete your Zoho Mail setup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.